Let's DIY one of these snowman wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree rope and we're going to make a snowman wreath for my front door for winter using the rope around the metal wreath form. This works really well. Now I am hot gluing here on a silicone surface, so that helps a lot. I don't have to worry about the hot glue sticking, but I'm just putting hot glue onto the wire wreath form. There are two round rings at the top and the bottom, and so I'm going to cover both of those with the Dollar Tree rope. Instead of cutting it and starting a new piece, I just continued with the same piece and spiraled around, having all of my rough edges right here at the neck region of the snowman to make that easier to cover up. Now I do want to give this snowman wreath a little bit of a coastal twist. The rope goes really well with that, but I'm going to bring that in a little bit more with the snowman arms and the hat and stuff like that. So again, just hot gluing this for the top of this. Now, if you can't find the exact snowman wreath like this, I think it would probably be pretty easy to make with a couple different sizes of wreath forms, because you could always make the hat out of something else, including like a plastic cutting mat or cardboard or something like that to give it a little bit of structure. I glued all of those on and then I burnt off any of the fuzzies. For the snowman arms, I started with some of the thinner rope from the Dollar Tree and covered them. I decided I wanted a little bit more of a coastal touch, and so I am going to update those here in a minute, but this is a way that you can just do that with rope and super cute. I don't want, of course, any of the metal wreath form to show, and Dollar Tree rope is great for that. Now for the snowman hat, I'm going to use one of the baby blankets from the Dollar Tree because I love the beachy color of blue. I think this will be great for coastal. I am going to cut this out, doubling it up so it's thick enough to cover all of the wire wreath form in the dark color. I'm going to use like the seam that's already on the baby blanket for the top, so I have a nice finished edge. Hot glue those together and then kind of cut it around the snowman's head here, a little bit of an arch so it will fit on there just perfectly, and I just simply hot glued that to it. Now I do need the brim of the hat too. It goes out further on the sides. I'm going to use that same baby blanket, hot gluing it to itself here to make a little strip here, again using the finished edge here to give it a more finished look and gluing that right on. Since it is a coastal theme, I'm going to add a little sand dollar I had from my stash, and then I decided I think coral arms would be even cuter for the snowman arms. So I'm going to take the tree ornaments from the Dollar Tree. These look just like coral. I love using these for crafting. I'm just going to cut off the hanger on the end, and I also popped off the little tree trunk. They're made out of plastic, so they're pretty easy to modify, but don't they look just like coral? Super fun. Now our snowman wreath only needs a scarf. So again, using that blue baby blanket from the Dollar Tree, this is a great source of inexpensive material. I cut a strip and put that around in a little scarf pattern, hot gluing it to the rope. This is how it turned out, and this is what it looks like on my door for winter. Follow me for more winter DIYs.